How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode fishing with me, your boy DYang. It's been a while since I sat down and talked to you guys, just to say hi. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is DYang. I do a lot of fishing, multi-species fishing, and I don't know, just like to go on an adventure and catch a bunch of fish. So in today's video, I wanted to break it down to you guys what I'm doing exactly. I went out with my good friend Vane, as you guys seen in the video with the flamingo guy, and we just wanted to have a good time. Like, we went out just to bass fish, no focus on anything, just let the camera roll, as you guys are gonna see in this video. So I got a lot of questions. DYang, why do you like flipping so much? Let me tell you guys, the reason why I like flipping is because it's very direct. It's very point A to point B from the fisherman to the fish, right? And the reason why I do this because I like the whole 1-2 punch kind of combo, you know, where I flip into the patches of weeds or lay down or isolated, whatever, and I'm assuming there's a fish there, and I can see it with my, you know, my glasses. I can see the isolated patches or the lay downs, the rocks, the shadow areas, the docks. I like to fish obvious points, so when I cast or flip into those areas, I'm like 70% sure that there's a fish there. Not always, but that one time it's going to be the biggest bite you will get. Right over here. Got him. Let's go. So what I have here in my hand is the Okuma DTR Custom. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's focusing on my face right now, but that's what it is right there. Okuma DTR Custom rod. This is my favorite, all-time favorite rod for flipping a jig, flipping a creature bait with the boulder weight, just flipping in general. It's sensitive, it's strong. When I set the hook, I feel like it's not gonna break on me. So that's why I love it. Now I am fishing this on a 17-pound test fluorocarbon Seaguar Invix. That's just what I like. I love 17-pound tests. I usually start off with 15-pound tests earlier in the season, but as later in the season, like late summer right now, weeds a lot thicker, and I like to fish that stronger line. That way I can work heavier covers or lay downs or really horse the fish out of the docks. As you can see in this lure here, I still have that patch of grass right there hanging on. And the reason is that because I was specifically targeting like shaded areas, isolated patches of weeds, and I'll flip it in there. I'll maybe bounce it a couple times, pull it out, and then flip it again. That's just the way I fish it. I don't fish it too long. I might let the bait rest a little bit, but that's it. And I'll pull it back out and I'll work the different angles and just work all around the area. Nothing there, move on to the next one. Now the reason why I don't peg this, the secret, the rate of fall, okay? If you can get that rate of fall to work, then it's super deadly, okay? And this is a 3/8 ounce, a 3 offset hook. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So that's a 3/8 ounce, 3 offset hook, and that's a Riot Beaver, Fuzzy Beaver. Their information will be right down below if you guys want to know. I get all my stuff from Carl's Bait and Tackle. You guys already know I'm a member, so why not use that discount when it's available? So back to the tactic of why I like to flip. It's very direct, right? I can focus on where I want to put my bait, and when the bass just can't help but grab onto the bait. So once it grabs onto it, it's time to set the hook, because you can feel that snatch. Basically, they're not gonna, you know, they're not gonna peck at it and pull on the fin. As soon as it's falling, the rate of the fall, this bowl weight's gonna fall first, and this is gonna flutter right down with it, okay? And you can control your line as it falls. Once you feel a thump and a shift from your line to left or right, you know you got a fish on. So that's what's nice about this. They're not focused on this thing right here. They're focused on this. Once they hit it, they're gonna run a different way. You set the hook and they're on, okay? As you guys are gonna see in this video, it's a super effective way to fish late summer bass, honestly all season. But I found out that it's been working great, so I thought I'd talk to you guys real quick on why I'm using it and what's my favorite bait. So here it is. Again, bowl weight, 3/8 ounce, no peg. All right, 3-aught hook, offset, Fuzzy Beaver from Riots. So you guys can get all this in the link down below. Check it out. Don't miss out, and I'll see you guys out of water. Peace. You know that white boat over there? Yeah. That's the DNR's boat. What? Oh yeah. DNR's boat. Got him.
See that? Told you it worked. Nice. You mean that?
Or don't help me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, dude, they fight, man.
Oh, what the fuck is
But
this?
he's running. Jeez. Over here. See how they fight so hard. Yeah, there you go.
Good job.
Nice 2-pounder. Nice bass right there, boys. Got one. I'm gonna let this one go. Yeah, it's not that big. 2-pounder. Good fish. Back in the water. See ya. Oh! Fucking broke me off. That's a fact. That's bass.
third one now, dude. This is on me.
Those aren't pipes. Those are. Got him. Yep, that's a big one, dude. Get the net. Get the net. That's a big one. That's a big one. Dude, that's a big one. Come on, help. Help. The big is. Yeah, let's go, dude. Watch out.
I was scared I was gonna step in and run right there, dude.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's a 10.
Oh, that's big, dude.
Yep. What I tell you, bro? Bass cut line, man. Woo. Look at that.
What, 3 something?
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh jeez. Look at that big bass, dude.
You want a picture of it?
That's crazy. Yeah, we'll put him in the well for a little bit. Got him.
Ooh, that's a nice one too.
Yep.
That's what I aim for that one too, man.
Huh?
I was gonna aim for that stock too.
I threw it in the weeds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't even hit the thingy.
Nice.
Nice little guy. Still healthy fish. Got him. Told you. I knew you was here somewhere. You're good.
Sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Jeez, jeez. Oh, it's bass right there, guys. See ya. Got him. Yeah, okay.
Say something for me.
Hey.
Oh yeah! Nice fish! Beauty!
I got lucky.
Have you caught much today?
Just a handful. Yeah, a little slower than usual. Oh, right there, right there, right there. You see him? There's one over here. Oh, he's coming. Look, look, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming, look, look. You
Oh,
see
yeah,
him?
see, yeah.
Got him, let's go! That's big too. Damn, dude. Get to that. Get to that. Oh, look, there's
Oh,
the second
shoot,
one. There's the second one. There's two, there's two. Wait, wait, wait. Go, get him, get him. Yeah, dude, let's go. There's two, bro. There's two. Oh my god, look how big that one is. Jeez.
That was cool.
Gosh. Chill, chill, relax, relax, relax. Look how big they are.
That was a good one.
Go, guys. Picture for later. 3-pounder for sure. Got him. That's a big one. Not really. Oh, geez, come on. Yeah. Let's go.
That was a good one.
Still good, yep. Right on the upper. Look at that.
Yeah, nice.
Yeesh. Look, let me tell you why they cut lines, dude. Yeah, look at them teeth.
Oh yeah, your teeth are sharp, dude.
Yeah.
Compared to other bass.
Yep.
What the heck?
That's why they cut, guys. Nice fatty. Going back. There you go. Let me get down low. You got it?
Yep.
Big mama. There you go. Go down lower.